What would you say is the toughest marketing lesson that you had to learn during your time as a law firm owner?
The toughest lesson is you have to measure what you're doing. If you're just spending money and you're not measuring and you don't know what your ROI is, you're just throwing money away. And I threw away hundreds of thousands of dollars possibly on marketing that was not working and I did not know. So, I mean, you just don't, I just got done interviewing a new attorney here from my office. We're growing. We need more help. And I was like, if you come to work here, ask all the questions, but know there's a reason why we do everything. We didn't just accidentally get here. You know what I'm saying? But I did spend a lot of money on stuff that wasn't working because I didn't know what a tracking number was. I'd never heard of call rail. I wasn't looking at the numbers. I now know that I do 8, 9, 10 to 1 on local service ads. Last month I did 8 to 1 on local service ads, where I was thinking maybe they weren't going to work because one person, 2 or 3 people in other cities around the country were saying it wasn't working for them. Well, it's working for me. And I know that because I've got tracking numbers on it and I can put the client's name and the client value to the phone number through a CRM. But, we've got a lot of things a lot of people don't have. A lot of people don't have CRMs. A lot of people, but you can get a tracking number and you can sign up for CallRail, and that's very inexpensive. And you can find out, whether the advertising you're doing is working or not. It's media message market match, right? I don't know this exact word, but like, you've got to know who are you going to talk to? What do you want to say? Where are they? And how are you going to get it to them? Where are your clients? What is your client avatar? My client avatar is a husband or a wife between the ages of 35 and 50. The husband makes anywhere from 90 to 110. The wife makes 50 to 80. They've been married somewhere between 8 and 15 years. They have 2 kids. They live in the suburbs of Raleigh. They work in Raleigh. They drive out to the suburbs. And their marriage is falling apart for varying reasons. That's my client avatar. Where are they at? Where would they be? They're at Little League games, right? Where my kid plays in the Little League and I'm on the Little League board. It's like there's so many different ways to market and do things. And it doesn't have to be direct response. And I think that's the mistake a lot of people make, is that they're trying to do direct response. They're so desperate for money and leads and all this stuff. And that's not always the way to get the best leads and the best business.